Hello students, question is from data structure and algorithm. The question asked is, post order traversal of a given binary search tree produces the following sequence of key. Okay, so the post order traversal has been given as, this is the post order traversal. It's given as 10, 9, 23, 22, 27, 25, 15, 50, 95, 60, 40 and 29. Okay, and it has given that this is a binary search tree and we have to find out the in order for the following sequence. Okay, in order traversal. Okay, when you're talking about binary search tree, you know that whatever the root node we are getting at the left hand side, the value will be lesser than the root, means the intermediate node or the parent node or the root node, and at the right side the value will be greater. Now you're talking about post order, so it will traverse like left, then right, and then root. Okay, so finally this root has come. Okay, so 29 will be our root for the binary tree. Now see, before 29, 40 and 60 is there, right? So both are greater than, so it will be definitely at this will be at the right subtree. Okay, now we have 95, so 95 is greater than 60, so 95 will come here. Now we have 50, so 50 will be smaller than 60. Okay, so now it is done. Now we have 15. Okay, so 15 is smaller than 29, so this will be the left sub part. Now we have 25, 25 is greater than 15, so 25, 27, again 27 is greater than, then 22, so 22 is less than 25, so 22 will come here, again 23, again 23 will come here. Okay, now we have 9, so 9 is less than 15, so 9 can come here, 10 is greater than 9, so 10 will come here. We have no left subtree here and we have no left subtree out here. Okay, so this is empty. So this is the given according to this traversal, this is the binary search tree. Fine, so now we have got the binary search tree. Now we have to go for the in order traversal. Now when you're talking about in order traversal, we have left, then root, and then right. Correct? So this is the traversing rule for in order. So there is no left, so first root will come, so 9, then right, so 10. Now again 15, correct? 15. Now after 15 we will go to left part, right? So left part is 20, means here it is 22, but there is no left for 22, so we will get 22 as a root, and then right is 23, then again 25, and again 27. Okay, now we will go for 29 because all the left part, all these left part got over. Okay, so now we will take our root as a 29. Now we will go to the right. Now at the right, what we will get? We will get as, there is no left, right? So we will get root, then again right. So this will be at the right, there is a left part, so first 50 will come, then 60 is the root, and then 95. So this will be the in order traversal. Okay, so option is A. Thank you.